Welcome to my roundup of the top 5 best tool bags of 2026. The ultimate lineup for professionals, DIY enthusiasts, and homeowners who want reliable storage and portability for their tools. Whether you're a mechanic, electrician, carpenter, or simply someone who loves fixing things around the house, these tool bags combine durability, organization, and convenience. Today's models feature heavy-duty fabrics, reinforced stitching, multiple compartments, and ergonomic handles, giving you the confidence to carry and protect your gear. In this guide, I'll walk you through the top options available this year and help you choose the perfect tool bag for your needs. Check the description for the latest deals, and let's dive into the best portable tool storage bags of 2026. Kicking things off with the UUP Heavy Duty Tool Bag. The UUP Heavy Duty Tool Bag is the powerhouse built for rugged use. With its reinforced stitching and durable fabric, it's designed to withstand heavy loads and tough environments. I love how its spacious interior accommodates large tools, while multiple pockets keep smaller items organized. Its padded shoulder strap adds comfort, while the sturdy handles ensure easy carrying. The waterproof base protects tools from moisture, making it ideal for outdoor work. What makes UUP attractive is its professional-grade quality. It's trusted by contractors and mechanics for dependable performance. For anyone who wants a tool bag that can handle demanding tasks, the UUP Heavy Duty Tool Bag is a smart pick. Coming in next is the Sanwoda 3-Pack Tool Bag. The Sanwoda 3-Pack Tool Bag is the multitasking marvel designed for versatility. With 3 different sizes included, it offers flexibility for organizing tools, accessories, and hardware. I appreciate its durable fabric construction, which ensures long-term reliability. Its compact design makes it perfect for small tools, while the larger bags handle bigger items. The zipper closures keep everything secure, and the lightweight build makes them easy to carry. What makes Sanwoda stand out is its value. It offers 3 bags in one package, making it ideal for professionals who need multiple storage options. For anyone who values versatility and affordability, the Sanwoda 3-Pack Tool Bag is a fantastic option. Turning our attention to the AWP Premium Tool Bag. The AWP Premium Tool Bag is the stylish option that blends modern design with practical performance. With its reinforced base and durable fabric, it delivers strength and durability for everyday use. I love how its multiple compartments keep tools organized, while the spacious interior accommodates larger items. Its padded handles add comfort, while the sleek design enhances any workspace. The durable zippers ensure reliability, and the affordable price makes it accessible. What makes AWP attractive is its focus on design. It's proof that tool bags can be both functional and stylish. For anyone who wants a bag that looks as good as it performs, the AWP Premium Tool Bag is a delightful choice. Let's check out the WorkPro 16-inch Tool Bag. The WorkPro 16-inch Tool Bag is the compact champion designed for everyday projects. With its 16-inch size, it delivers reliable storage for essential tools without being bulky. I appreciate its durable fabric construction, which ensures strength and longevity. Its multiple pockets keep tools organized, while the sturdy handles make carrying easy. The reinforced base adds durability, and the affordable price makes it accessible. What makes WorkPro attractive is its practicality. It's strong enough for routine tasks, yet compact enough for smaller spaces. For anyone who wants a dependable tool bag for everyday use, the WorkPro 16-inch Tool Bag is a great choice. Wrapping things up with the Amazon Basics Durable Tool Bag. The Amazon Basics Durable Tool Bag is the budget-friendly option that doesn't sacrifice quality. With its sturdy fabric and reinforced stitching, it delivers reliable performance for household projects and light professional use. I love how its spacious interior accommodates a variety of tools, while multiple pockets keep smaller items organized. Its durable zippers ensure reliability, while the sturdy handles make carrying easy. The affordable price makes it accessible, and the sleek design adds style. What makes Amazon Basics attractive is its value. It offers solid performance without the premium price tag. For anyone who wants a dependable tool bag on a budget, the Amazon Basics Durable Tool Bag is a smart choice. All of these tool bags bring something valuable to the table depending on your needs and work style. The UUP Heavy Duty Tool Bag is perfect for rugged use with professional-grade durability. The Sanwoda 3-Pack Tool Bag offers versatility with multiple sizes. The AWP Premium Tool Bag delivers stylish design with practical features. The WorkPro 16-inch tool bag emphasizes compact storage with dependable results. And the Amazon Basics durable tool bag stands out as the budget-friendly option with reliable performance. When choosing a tool bag, it's important to consider material, size, compartments, and portability. Heavy-duty fabrics provide strength and durability, while multiple compartments ensure organization. Compact designs suit everyday tasks, while larger bags accommodate professional gear. Padded handles and shoulder straps add comfort, while waterproof bases protect tools from moisture. Budget-friendly models provide solid performance, while premium options deliver advanced features for serious professionals. That wraps up my top 5 best tool bags of 2026. Whether you're a mechanic, an electrician, a carpenter, or a DIY enthusiast, there's a perfect tool bag here for you. These bags represent the best balance of strength, organization, and value, helping you carry and protect your tools with confidence. So, if you're ready to upgrade your toolkit, check the description below for the latest deals and grab the bag that fits your lifestyle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tool reviews and buying guides. With the right tool bag in hand, you'll enjoy better organization, stronger performance, and the satisfaction of a professional-looking setup. Power up your projects, simplify your routine, and enjoy the confidence of working smarter every day.